This is about upcoming film Kantar, which is produced by Janet Noronha, directed by Nilesh Malkar, and Jackie Sir, myself, and Noel Sean, who is over here. We three are starring in the film. It is a Goan Konkani project. It is the second production from our production house, Janet Noronha Productions. It is the second Konkani film by our director Nilesh Malkar, who has already directed the film Soul Curry, which again starred Jackie Shroff sir. So even this is his second Konkani project. And this is a musical film on of the philosophy of life. The title says Kantar, a song of life. So it is a musical film on the philosophy of life. And at the same time, it intends to capture the beauty of Goa through the Goan point of view, as the Goans see it, and not as the rest of the world sees it. It is about redefining the Goan culture, representing the Goan way of life, and as well as also cherishing the beauty of the villages of Goa, the people of Goa, the language of Goa, and the culture, everything that is a part of the Goan life. So this is how it goes. And the other highlight is Lorna Cordero, the Nightingale of Goa, is doing playback singing in this film for the first time. The song has already been recorded for. And she will also be starring in the song. That particular song she will be a part of too. She will be coming on the 6th and join us for the shoot. So this is the highlight. This is about putting all the things which are important for us as Goans or Konkani speaking people. Whatever we really treasure is what we are going to show in the film. And Jackie sir has obliged to be a part of this film because I think he will speak later after this. This is just introduction I'm giving. When we met him, that is what he said, that he loves Goa, he has had a special connection with Goa himself, and he has love for Konkani and the people. He has always wanted to have a house here, and he has had it before. So he connects to the people and to the culture, which is why he is happy to be a part of our project. And he's playing a beautiful role in this film, which you will all discover when you see the film. You cannot reveal much. His script, his story. So when he narrated the story to us, what was the most attractive point is that the connection between his character and mine, which is very beautiful in the film. So this is about the film. We have started shooting since yesterday. Yesterday was our first day, today is the second. We will be shooting till the 25th of August. Tomorrow is one more day where we will be shooting here, and later on we will be moving towards the south of Goa. So we will be shooting around Benauli, Varka, Kavelusi, Kolwa, all these Rashol, the less explored locations and places of Goa which we think should be documented and should be treasured by us for the future generations is what we intend upon. So he's playing the character of Anthony. His character.
Thank you so much for coming to support our film. I'm really looking forward to do my first Konkani film. I'm really excited, and thank you for all the love you have given us for Despacito, and I hope you will continue doing the same. I'm really excited to work with Jackie sir, and of course, Esther. This is my second film with her. We already done a Telugu film, and I'm looking forward to work with her.
My first film was appreciated very well at the state awards and all. So that drive has again made me more comfortable in again doing a second film. Kantar, it's a musical film. I cannot disclose much about the film, but this time the music is really sounding very different, not the regular kind of music that we are doing. And Aditya Barbe has done a very good job. So I'm looking forward. This time again, my film is.
We have comedian Sally, who is here in the crowd. We have Louis Bachchan. We have Dominic in the cast. We have Dola. We have Antoinette. We have Rose Pereira, all the way from Canada, who has just arrived today, and she will be joining the shoot too very soon. So we have all the upcoming Goan artists, well-known Goan artists, budding artists, anybody and everybody who is doing well in Konkani and who is doing something for the community. We are involving them all in our team here. So even the singers, Orville is here already. So he is well known as a musician and as a sound engineer in Goa so far, but he is debuting as a singer in our film too. He is singing, since the movie is all about jazz and blues, so he has sung a few numbers in the film and he is debuting as a singer. So as we also have Conrad Rodriguez, who is also known as a musician, otherwise he is also debuting in this film for the first time as a singer. So we have various Goan talents being a part of this project. So, Mama?
This is my second film, like she said. She said, I love Goa. I mean, I'm not the only one. I think most of the India love Goa and abroad they love Goa. It's a place of bliss. It's a fantastic place. Besides that, my daughter loves the place, so it gives me more the reason to be part of Goan language. And I hope I do justice to your culture, your language, and to all your sensibility out here. And being working with such a lovely lady who's a singer, who's already a singer out here, and to have the lady who's going to be giving the voice for you. She's like Lataji of Mumbai. I'm absolutely blessed and honored. आणि बघतो आता क्या है अभी जितना सीखने का है पहला आप लोगों ने पिक्चर देखा मेरे को इज्जत दिया I got a Goan State Award. I'm happy that it's a language which I tried to learn with the same director. Now I get an opportunity to sing also with you, I hope. And I hope I don't disappoint you guys. And music director, please come forward, introduce yourself.
Yes.
Mike, Honey Boss. Yeah, he's our music director and the next.
Thank you so much.
How about that music, sir?
Thank you for that.
Basically, Marathi, Hindi.
Anything. They all are cool.
Actually,
Everything
मैं गोवा में ही हूँ. मैं
तो गोवा में बोलो.
That's the problem. I can understand the Gopi, but I can't speak. But जब भी सर ने पता है कि गोवा फिल्म में तो obviously मेरा roots इधर का है तो something has to be given to the my native. हक बनता है तो हक से म्यूजिक किया है. And म्यूजिक का क्या है वो सब जैकी सर एंड डायरेक्टर एंड she will tell you all the story. You will get जब म्यूजिक रिलीज होगा तभी आपको एग्जैक्टली पता चला कि क्या मैंने एग्जैक्टली किया है. गोवा को समथिंग नया देने का कोशिश किया है. That's it. मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. Thank you.
मेरे को क्या है कि I wanted to do another film. Every year I want to do one film at least in Goa. So my dream has come true and it's my team. My director is the same. I have been appreciated for the role that I did. So I think slowly, steadily I'll be accepted by everybody, every corner. Just want to do as many languages as possible. And Goan is very close to my heart. I don't have to say I'm not selling Goa or I'm selling anything out here. It's just that I love Goa. Simple. So I want to do Goa too. Mala ikde avadta. Everybody loves me out here. When I come at the airport only, I come to know with all the cabbies on my kaya Jackie photo, de karo, hey, come here, man, ye bhai, patra. So all that happens when I walk in. So I know the affection I get when I enter any state. So Goans love me, man. So it's reciprocal, man.
Since 2016. So the films are built into A, B and C category. And that has been decided by the jury members which come from the film fraternity. So they are either directors, cinematographers, scriptwriters, editors. So they select this film accordingly. And according to that, the finance is given that financial hand what Goa government is giving. That's according to that. Because A category will get 50 lakhs, B category will get 30 lakhs, C category will get 10 lakhs. But again, it is related to the expenditure. 50% of expenditure, whichever is less.
But is it that you said the directors should be from Goa or this scheme says?
See, there are 15 categories in that. Right from story till choreographer, costume designer, editor, screenplay writers, director. So out of this 15 people, I think 30% should be Goa. So you can have director from outside Goa.